you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is very random, but I just felt the desire to film this. Right now I will be meal prepping for the whole week. I'm gonna show you what I do. Just a little background, my fiance and I do not eat out. We try not to and we don't. I don't even remember the last time we had fast food. I think we eat Subway, but that's it of the fast food. So we just try not to eat out. We do eat the same thing pretty much all week, but that's just because it's the healthiest and it's the most cost efficient. And if you guys are new to like meal prepping and eating the same thing every day of the week, it gets easier. And the best advice I could give is when you're eating your meal prepped food, think about how much money you're saving. Think about all the nutritional value that you're eating with the whole foods. So my fiance and I try to eat a lot of whole food. For dinner this week, we're making a really hearty salad with tofu. Yes, my fiance and I don't eat a lot of animal-based proteins. We like to have a lot more plant-based proteins. We're not 100% vegan. I would say we're vegan-ish. I still have cheese sometimes because I really love cheese, and I still drink some milk. So occasionally with my coffee, I like to drink this Fairlife because it doesn't have, it's lactose free. All right, let's start the meal prep. Let's see how long it takes us to. Time. Okay, we got 7:20 on the clock. I'm hoping to be done by 8:30. Let's see, and let's go. All right, you guys, first order of operation, we are going to drain some tofu and put it in the oven. So I actually don't have a tofu press. I need to get one, but I don't have one, so I just do it myself. It's not that effective, to be honest, but here's the tofus I am using. They're extra firm because we like crispy tofu. So let's drain this bad boy. All right, so here's the tofu on a baking pan with foil, and I'm just gonna spread it out. All right, so I'm essentially making this like a chicken flavor. So I'm just gonna use some of this seasoning. I'm gonna put some garlic salt on as well. And last but not least, some extra virgin olive oil. All right, and then you're just gonna mix it all together. And this is going in the oven at 400 until it's crispy enough for me. So right now I'm gonna be prepping all our vegetables that we're using and our fruit that I'm gonna be using this week. My battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna charge it while I do that. All right, you guys, this is taking me a little bit longer than I thought, but it's okay. If you want it to go by faster, get a sous chef. Get a sous chef. Get a helper in the kitchen that will chop everything for you and help cut the time in half. Anyways, let me show you everything that I prepped. So I forgot to mention, but this is what I'll be making for lunch. I made homemade pasta sauce last week. So they're actually red lentil rigatoni noodles, and they're made out of red lentils. Lentils are really good plant-based protein. I prefer this over traditional pasta and the veggie pasta, even the whole grain pasta. I prefer this, and it really doesn't even taste different at all. I meal prepped some strawberries, cut and washed. I find when I cut fruit, I will eat it more. This is for the salad, cucumber. This is for the salad. I'll show you what we're doing. Onion, jalapeno, and garlic, watermelon. Brussels sprouts, I like to have like a vegetable every night for dinner. So I'll probably just bake this. It's really good baked. Carrots for the salad as well. Peppers for the salad. This is the pasta sauce I have. Literally, it is just tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, garlic, and onion. And I simmer for like 10 minutes on low. I will say, I feel like I'm dominating this meal prep. So next, I'm going to be making just a couple of Kodiak cakes. I have some left over from last week. They're right here. But I'm gonna make a few more. And I will be sauteing the vegetables for the salad. I also chopped up romaine lettuce. I also cut and washed spinach. And I washed broccoli slaw. It's in here. This is a really weird container to put it in, but I don't have a lot of Tupperware right now. And my fiance is leaving for a week, so he's just gonna use this. All right, so in this pan, I'm gonna put in some olive oil, pretty good amount. And here I have the onion and the jalapeno. I'm also gonna saute the green pepper. If you want to splurge, I like red pepper the best and orange. And then I'm also gonna saute these carrots. I'm also gonna cook this with some garlic salt. All right, so now I'm just going to prep some protein Kodiak cakes. Kodiak cakes vanilla. Now to add to some yumminess, I like to add some vanilla. Trust me, just add a little bit of vanilla. Makes a huge difference. And a little bit of chocolate chips for fun and excitement. And you know what? To add some more fun, I'm gonna add some sprinkles that I found in my pantry. And some Fairlife milk. This is the tofu. When I spread it, there's some really crispy parts, so it's like a crouton, and there's some meatier parts, so it's like more juicy, but it's really, really good. If you guys have never had tofu before, it's really good. Taste test time. I'll do a crunchy part. Very, very good. All right, you guys, it is vinaigrette time. I do not buy packaged or processed pre-made salad dressings. Such a healthier option of salad dressing than what I would make at a store, and it's so much cheaper. I need balsamic vinegar. I'm making a balsamic vinaigrette. I just need a couple ingredients. So I need some extra virgin olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. What I do is I do equal parts olive oil to balsamic vinegar. So I'm gonna do a half a cup. I might do more. I forgot to mention that you need garlic as well. Okay, you guys, that was my teacher meal prep of the week. Took me longer than I wanted, but well worth it. Now I just gotta do some dishes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.